How many solar panels do I need to charge my batteries effectively? I get this question a lot. So today I'm going to give you a quick tip that works 99% of time and requires little to no calculation. For lithium batteries, it is widely recommended by manufacturers to charge your battery with 50% of the battery capacity, which means if you have 15 kilowatt battery, you need at least 7.5 kilowatts to charge that battery. So let's do a little calculation. I have 15 kilowatt battery I want to charge, and I'm going for the choice of 550 watt solar panel. Don't use solar panels that are smaller than 400 watts for lithium batteries, trust me. So my choice is 550 watts. How many pieces of 550 watts do I need to get my 7500 watts or 7.5 kilowatts that is required for my 50 kilowatt battery? So this is the simple calculation that you just need to do. 7500 watts, which is 7.5 kilowatts, divided by 550, which is the wattage of each of your panels. So 7500 divided by 550 gives us 13.6, which we have to approximate it to a round figure, and that has to be 14. So I need 14 pieces of 550 watts to charge a 15 kilowatts battery. It's very short, right? If I have 100 kilowatts battery, or let me say I have 100 kilowatts storage system, all I need is 50 kilowatts solar panels to be able to charge. So the same setup, I have 550 watts as my choice of panels. 50,000 divided by 550. How many am I getting? 90 point something. So let's just say you cannot use 91. It has to always be an even number. So for 100 kilowatts that I need 50 kilowatts for, I need 90 pieces of 550 watt solar panel to charge 100 kilowatts effectively. So in the nutshell, all you just need is the wattage of the panel you want to use and multiply it to get 50% of the rated battery capacity. But if it is a client that doesn't stay at home or that doesn't use their system in the afternoon, you can compromise and maybe you give them 30% of the rated capacity of the battery. So 30% of 15 kilowatts gives us 4.5 kilowatts. And that's it. You just do 4,500 divided by 550 and you get the numbers of panels you need to charge the battery, provided the client is somebody that doesn't use the system in the afternoon. The reason is that since they are not using it in the afternoon, the whole of what you are generating is going to the battery directly. They are not taking part of it and use during the daytime. But if it's somebody that uses the system in the afternoon, you have to meet that 50% requirement, because as the battery is charging, they are also taking from what you are generating from the panel. So if you compromise in that case, your battery might not be getting to 100%, which is not good for lithium. And also for a client that their usage is daytime usage, you need more than 50%. In those cases, you need to oversize the panels, let's say like 70% of the battery capacity, because their usage is daytime. Daytime load users do not really require much backup. They just need backup for when weather is not that good. So like people that works from maybe 8 till 5, you need to oversize your panel so that if you are using 15 kilowatts, in fact, if you can give it panel of like 120%, give it. Just make sure that you have a charge controller that can control when they are not around. You know, there are times maybe like during the weekends and they are not working, so that to not be delivering high charging to the battery. So if you have a charge controller that is good, very sensitive, and knows what is supposed to give battery at the right time, good. Oversized panels for daytime load users. Now for tubular battery users, do we really need to talk about tubular batteries? Well, let's say it. For tubular batteries, let me say 220 amps. So 12 times 220 gives us 2.6 kilowatts. And you have 4. That means we multiply 2.6 kilowatts times 4 pieces, which will give us 10 kilowatts. Now 20% of 10 kilowatts gives us 2 kilowatts. Now 2 kilowatts divided by each of your 550 watt solar panel, which is 2000 divided by 550. Approximately, we will be getting 4 pieces. So for 4 batteries, for 4 tubular batteries, we need 4 pieces of 550 watt solar panels. I hope that answers the question. I am Bashir from Interdem, and I'm the chief surgeon. See you guys in the next one.